Welcome to Jumbo Quiz. Today we will play Would You Rather Mystery Gift Edition. Choose wisely. Let's begin. Would you rather have a puppy, a kitten, or the mystery gift? You got a pet tarantula. Would you rather have unlimited Coca-Cola, unlimited chocolate, or take the mystery gift? You got a never-ending supply of bubble gum. Would you rather drive a Lamborghini, a Rolls-Royce, or take the mystery gift? You got a pink toy car. Would you rather live in a penthouse, a mansion by the beach, or open the mystery gift? You got a tree house in the jungle. Would you rather have a gold watch, diamond earrings, or take the mystery gift? You got a glow-in-the-dark ring. Would you rather sleep in a Star Wars bed, a Harry Potter bed, or the mystery gift? You got a floating water bed. Would you rather like this video, comment your name, or the mystery gift? Eat poop cake. Would you rather swim in a Minions pool, a bear pool, or open the mystery gift? You got a burger pool. Would you rather vacation in Paris, New York, or take the mystery gift? You got a free trip to the North Pole. Would you rather own a private roller coaster, a private movie theater, or the mystery gift? You got an indoor trampoline park. Would you rather eat a rainbow burger, a neon blue pizza, or take the mystery gift? You got an invisible sandwich. Wait, where did it go? Would you rather have a flying bike, a self-driving car, or open the mystery gift? You got a skateboard with rocket boosters. Would you rather own a golden phone, a diamond laptop, or take the mystery gift? You got a phone made of Legos. Would you rather have a marshmallow bed, a bed with built-in speakers, or take the mystery gift? You got a bed filled with popcorn. Would you rather live in a spaceship, an underwater house, or open the mystery gift? You got a house made of chocolate. Would you rather have a diamond bathtub, a gold toilet, or take the mystery gift? You got a toilet that plays music. Would you rather own a pet dragon, a pet unicorn, or take the mystery gift? You got a pet rock. Would you rather have unlimited fries, unlimited ice cream, or take the mystery gift? You got an unlimited supply of spicy chips. Would you rather wear diamond sandals, golden sneakers, or open the mystery gift? You got banana-shaped slippers. Would you rather have a private jet, a private island, or take the mystery gift? You got a hot air balloon. Would you rather eat a gold donut, a silver cake, or open the mystery gift? You got a rainbow cotton candy tower. Would you rather have a talking cat, a talking dog, or the mystery gift? You got a talking parrot that only sings. Would you rather eat a giant taco, a huge sushi roll, or take the mystery gift? You got a pizza-flavored ice cream. Would you rather live in a castle, a futuristic city, or take the mystery gift? You got a house made of Legos. Would you rather have a teleportation machine, a time machine, or take the mystery gift? You got a remote that pauses time. Would you rather eat rainbow sushi, neon green pasta, or take the mystery gift? You got a burger that changes colors. Would you rather have a magic wand, a genie lamp, or take the mystery gift? You got a book that tells the future. Would you rather have a helicopter, a yacht, or take the mystery gift? You got an umbrella. Would you rather get a neon green milkshake, a galaxy cake, or take the mystery gift? You got a glow-in-the-dark lollipop. Would you rather sleep on a cloud, on a waterbed, or take the mystery gift? You got a trampoline bed. Would you rather have a robot chef, a robot maid, or take the mystery gift? You got a fridge that restocks itself. Would you rather visit Mars, the bottom of the ocean, or take the mystery gift? You got a trip inside a volcano. Would you rather own a sports car, a luxury SUV, or take the mystery gift? You got an electric scooter. Would you rather have a home cinema, a giant gaming setup, or take the mystery gift? You got a vintage jukebox. Would you rather get a mystery vacation, a shopping spree, or take the mystery gift? You got a weekend stay in a treehouse hotel. That was an exciting game. Tell us in the comments which mystery gift surprised you the most. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting quizzes. See you in the next video.